Hello, today I'll be showing you how to utilize the textbook lookup tool located on the bookstore portion of ASU-Beebe's website. Let's get started. First, in a new tab, you're going to type in bookstore.asub.edu. Once the bookstore loads, at the bottom, we're going to look for textbook lookup, then click that link. When the textbook lookup page appears, you have 4 options to choose from: Fall 2019, Summer 2 2019, Fall 1 2019, and Fall 2 2019. I'm going to select Fall 2019, and then it asks me what department my class is in. For this example, I'm going to click English. Then I'm going to select the specific class and instructor for my course. As you can see, once I've clicked all the options, the required materials for that course, as well as a few options, appear at the bottom. I will explain these in detail. First, you can select the cheapest options that are rentals. You can choose the cheapest options that are not rentals. You can add this course to your courses, or you can clear all you've selected at the bottom. When you hover over a book title, it gives you valuable information about this book, such as the ISBN number, the author, the edition, and the publisher. Here we have found a book that they have in stock used for $89. We're going to click beside the box that says Buy Used, and then go to the bottom where it says Add/Update Items in Cart. Clicking Add/Update Items in Cart will take you to the home screen where you can review over your courses and your shopping cart. Once you're done looking over everything, you can click Checkout at the bottom. On the checkout screen, it's going to ask you for a lot of information, such as your email address, billing info, shipping info, student ID, and payment method. Once you have all those in, hit Review Order at the bottom. Once you visit the Review Order page, you should be able to process your order and get a confirmation code after. That is how you utilize the textbook lookup tool featured on the bookstore portion of ASU-Beebe's website. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.